Hello. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel, An Easy Step to English Grammar. Tonight, I am going to present you with a newspaper reporting. The recent incident, rather accident. And some of my students have requested me just to post some important newspaper reports for their examination, like Madhyamik, CBSE, ICSE, PSC main, UPSC and WBCS main. However, in the newspaper reporting, you will have to follow some rules which are very rigid. For example, your headline must be in the present tense. Remember that today's incident or accident is tomorrow's news, and yesterday's incident or accident is a stale news. So I have covered a recent accident which is very tragic, and I have used some newspaper vocabularies which are frequently used by the newspapers. Your headline, remember, must be in the present tense. For example, actor Rahul Arunodoy Bandyopadhyay dies by drowning. Dies, not died. Okay, dies by drowning. It is the headline. And the headline must cover the entire reporting, gives a hint that what has happened, gives a hint what has happened, and the readers will be interested in reading the newspaper or the news. By a staff reporter, you may write by a special correspondent, whatever you like. Digha oblique Talsari, March 29. The incident occurred on March 29. So, first the name of a place, then month, then date. And you may give a colon or a dash. Both are correct. I have written this news like this, and in the first line, remember my dear viewers, the first line should be composed in such a manner that the main content will be packed up within the first sentence. For example, film and TV serial actor died by drowning at Talsari Beach at about 5:30 p.m. today, when the shooting of the TV serial Bhole Baba Paar Korega was going on. It is the first sentence, and the content or the cream of the reporting has been packed up within the first line. Then comes the second line. According to the eyewitnesses, the actor, who was in a knee-deep water, accidentally slipped into a pit. In his bid means attempt, in his bid to rescue his co-actor, who had already fallen into the water. I have used two tenses. The first is past perfect tense and the second is past indefinite tense. Okay. Just at that moment, high waves lashed onto them. Onto. I have used onto. lashed onto them. Although the co-actor could be rescued, Rahul went under deep water and drank a lot of salty water and slime. Slime means liquid mud, including sand. Liquid mud, including sand. Let us repeat the line. Just at that moment, high waves lashed onto them. Although the co-actor could be rescued, Rahul went under deep water and drank a lot of salty water and slime. The body of Rahul could be fished out, that means discovered from water. The body of Rahul could be fished out and brought to Digha State General Hospital, where he was declared brought dead. It is the doctor's language, brought dead. The body was sent to Tamluk Hospital for autopsy, that means post-mortem, for autopsy, which confirmed, that means autopsy confirmed that Rahul's death was due to drowning. Okay, this is the reporting or the newspaper report in brief, and the entire report has been packed up within the short span, and I think that your reporting must be in the inverted pyramid system. That means the main content, and gradually it will come to conclusion. Okay, inverted pyramid system. First give the attractive headline, then place, month, date. First line must be attractive to catch the attention of the readers, and then the information, all the information will be packed up within the short span of the reporting. Thanking all of you. Good night. Stay safe. And if this video comes to your benefit for your examination for Madhyamik, CBSE, ICSE, Railway, PSC, whichever or whatever examination you are going to sit, please subscribe my channel and Easy Step to English Grammar. Good night.